How deep is the snow, Maddie?
I don't know.
How deep would you say it is? Can
2
you walk
feet?
in it? Can you walk in it?
Yeah.
Let's see you walk.
How much do I have to walk?
I'm just walking to see how deep it is.
Probably up to my knees.
Let's see. Keep walking. Yeah, it's a lot of snow. Can you run in it?
Yeah.
Let's see you run. Okay, come back. It's not really good snow for packing. It's kind of too fluffy. Oh, you're going to throw it at me? Oh, man. Let's go. Hey, you know what we could do?
What?
Let me put this away. We'll get a bunch of snowballs and we'll throw them at Ian's window.
Yeah, I need to get ready.
I know. He'll come out and yell at us. Hold on. Let me
Yeah.
shut this off.